Good morning, guys. Nice sunny morning. In fact, as soon as I get the camera out, the sun's disappeared behind a cloud. But what I was going to show was my new solar pulse motor self-started itself this morning, which is exactly what I wanted it to do. Obviously I can't show you it self-start. Well, I say obviously, I could stop it, but now the sun's gone in again, I bet it won't start. It needs that extra bit of boost from the sunlight. That's typical, isn't it? Quick demonstration, and the sun disappears. Behind the clouds. Oh well. I could just sort of leave the camera pointing at it and eventually it will self-start, but it just needs that extra bit of boost from the sunlight. Sun's come out again, so we'll just see if we can get this thing to self-start. There we go. Oh, that's brilliant. I wanted to show it earlier on today and the sun went in. It's 5 o'clock at night and that's getting enough sun through the double glazing to get going. Oh, I'm pleased with that. I was just filming something completely different, but I've stopped filming that so I can film this self-starting. Brilliant. Let's try and see if we can position it between two magnets. So it's got to right now. That's what I did notice. The magnets are alternate north, south, all the way around. And if it happens to stop on that one, it struggles to get going. Whereas if I could just wait and see if it does it. No, it looks like it's going to struggle. So if we put it on that one instead. Yeah. How about, because that one has also got a little crack in it. So that one should be the same direction. So it looks like it might just be that one magnet that's the problem. because I did manage to chip a couple of the magnets, just getting them out the pack and letting them spring together. By accident, of course. But yeah, that's self-starting, so it just looks like if it's that one particular magnet, whereas if we use a different one, which will be the same polarity, yeah, so there we go. Very pleased with this one. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.